everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your phone number in Duo Mobile using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Duo Mobile app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on Settings. Once you are in device settings, you will see your current phone number listed. Tap Edit, change or add a new number. Now enter your new phone number carefully. Make sure the country code is correct. Next, the system may send a verification code to your new number by text message or phone call. Check your message, enter the code on the screen and confirm. Once verified, your new phone number will be saved. Now open the Duo Mobile on your iPhone. Your app will continue to work as usual for Duo push notifications. And that's it. That's how to change your phone number for Duo Mobile on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.